Hi, in this short demo, I will show how Reviewpad can be used to only allow merges when certain CI checks are green. Let's kick off by looking at the pull request where I made a very small change. This change obviously contains a typo, so my CI, which builds my Go program, should fail. And so when I create the pull request, since that one is going to fail and it's a mandatory check in my configuration of Reviewpad, which I'll show you later, then Reviewpad should also block my merge. So let's see what happens. So Reviewpad is running. It fails immediately because the CI check is still running. So the CI check now runs and the build fails. And so obviously, Reviewpad also fails because of that. And I cannot merge my pull request. If I look at the details, I should be able to see something about that. Mandatory checks failed, as expected. If I were to then fix my pull request, I've just updated my pull request and now, Reviewpad is going to run again. When it's over, Reviewpad is going to kick in again. And now everything's fine. And actually I got an automatic approval from Reviewpad itself. So how is this useful for? This is useful, for example, in the case as in this one, where we want to have automatic approval of pull requests created by, for example, bots, like dependent bots. So let's see what happens in the configuration. So in the configuration, we have two different groups that we've defined. One is a trusted bots, so renovate, sneak, dependent bots, and this account is also there during alpha. And also specify what are the mandatory checks, which in this case is the build. And so basically I have a workflow that says if the author of the pull request is one of the trusted bots and all the mandatory checks have reached the conclusion of success, they are green essentially, then I want to automatically approve it looks good to me. Otherwise, I want to basically fail the check of Reviewpad and block the merge with a message mandatory checks failed. I hope that this illustrates how easy it is to set up a trusted bots in a way that you also have trusted and mandatory checks, and make sure that Reviewpad combines that information either to approve and potentially merge those pull requests automatically, or also to block them from being merged and accidentally introduce bugs or breaking the build in your code bases. Thank you.